My name is Dion Ford. I came to Dr. Sandel after being concerned of my skin. I had jowls that were hanging down. I felt like I had chipmunk cheeks, and I had a lot of extra skin around my neck, and it's hereditary. But I came here to see Dr. Sandel and see if he would be able to do any alterations or surgery to help that appearance go away. After my first visit with him, I told him I wasn't trying to look 20 years old. I just wanted to get rid of that extra skin and feel comfortable again. And he showed me on his computer screen what I could look like after the surgery. I called back and made the appointment and had the surgery done, and I couldn't be happier. I don't regret a thing. It was well worth the investment in me. My daughter had gone through cancer treatment, and after those 3 years of going through it with her, I looked as exhausted as I was physically. So my skin didn't look fresh and clean anymore. It just looked tired and elongated. After having the surgery, I feel like I'm back to my normal self without that long, tired, exhausted look, and I feel every bit as energetic as I feel I look today. The first thing people would think of is the expense. And for me, I thought, you know what, it's an investment. I want to feel better about myself. I knew I was worth it. I looked at it like an investment. If I'm going to buy a car, it's going to last me for a long time. And Dr. Sandel explained to me, once I got rid of that extra skin, it's not going to come back. And that was probably the best thing that he said, because I don't have to worry about after 2 or 3 years down the road, I'm going to have that loose skin again. Sure, gravity's going to happen and I'm going to age, which is fine. But to get rid of that look that I had before being so tired, I didn't let what other people think influence my decision. It was a decision I made for me, and well worth it now. Now that I have no regrets whatsoever. And my family supported me through it. I didn't want to look like I had had plastic surgery. I didn't want to change my appearance. I didn't want to change my smile and have this pulled back look. I knew after I'd had sat down with him and I was so comfortable in not just his staff here, but in what he responded to me. He understood what I was looking for and said that he can do it, and as you can see, he did. Dr. Sandel, you truly have changed my life. I can tell you, from feeling the way I felt prior to October 7th, you have changed my life. I am confident. I wake up every morning looking forward to the day that I can get out there, and I really appreciate that you were able to take time, listen to my concerns, and change me by doing your surgical procedures. And I know that that's almost like being a miracle worker. So I truly thank you and your staff and your family for doing what you do and changing lives, because you changed mine.